piece of you. I sent you a message at 2 a.m. I'm such an idiot. I can't believe the things I said. How did you deal with it? I understand why you're not here. Push away, she won't stay. Sorrow sits inside my tears. I start to break apart, need to change your mind. I'll take a piece of you.